All right, these are all clear.
Damage is critical.
Keep it steady. More. Wow, he's looking good, old friend. Looks good from here.
Sequence 1 activated.
All right, confirmed. I'll take it from here. Primed and ready. Let's paint this bad boy.
There are legs. I found him, not a lifeless pile. Sockets following him, and his fate began our rescue journey. A battle to pull.
And here, one more click. Got it, secure. Excellent job. Looks perfect. No, stop! Brace yourself! I can't stop! After all the work, she's finally perfect. Looks good here.
The forest. When the first high-pressure water jet blast man.
All right, now that we've set up the basics, we're ready to delve in.
The furnace was lit. The gears began to turn. This has truly returned to gliding proudly
Tightening
on the
this thing is
tracks.
a more
Engineering
click.
team out
Got
into
it.
the vast ocean where the rusty.
Pressure's dropping. Good work.
Here we go! And it's done! Almost finished with this adventure, and look who's here to celebrate with me. Running out of time.
We're
approaching the target area. Stay in formation and maintain.
Champion. Now lying silently at the bottom of the sea. Has destroyed almost the entire electrical and engine system.
Definitely the package. Almost there.
Interior and
Watch out!
and most importantly, his
Look at
eyes.
that!
His
Oh,
eyes.
darn it! You
Filled
okay,
with
buddy?
determination. White smoke billowed as McQueen sped off like a true lightning bolt.
A glove. There, that's not going anywhere. Good job. All right, let's check this section. It's a blaze of red, isn't it? Get inside.
However, the recovery journey ended in glory. With 2 huge front teeth. I wondered if Meta
Keep your focus on that straight line. All right, Mac, new city.